Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your video in Capcut. Alright guys, here I have imported my video to Capcut, and for example, we're going to remove this watch from this video. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the video like this, and we can scroll all the way to the right until we find copy option because we want to copy the video. So just click on copy, then after that we can click on overlay. You have to scroll all the way to the left and click on overlay, and then we can drag this video, the second video, to make it align with the first video. And after that we can click on the second clip, and after that just scroll all the way to the right again to find mask option. And then this is the mask option. Then you can select the shape of the mask, and for example I'm going to select a rectangle, and after that we can adjust the size of the mask. I'm going to select this white part of this clip to cover the unwanted part like this. Alright, and after we're done selecting the part, we can click on this check mark button right here, and then we can adjust the position of the mask. I'm going to cover this watch. Okay, and now the watch has been covered, and we can put filter or increase the brightness of this video to make it looks more natural. I'm going to click on filters right here, then I'm going to adjust the brightness. Just click on adjust and click on brightness, then I'm going to increase the brightness. Okay, and it looks natural, right? And then let's just take a look at the result and just play the video. Okay, and this is the result, guys. Okay guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from Capcut video. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.